Hi, I'm Ronnie with AutoZone, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a jet ski. Don't let a dead battery stop you from having fun on the water this summer. Here's how to fix one of the most common jet ski problems. Turn your jet ski off, secure it, and let it cool. Then, locate the battery. The location can vary from model to model, but chances are it's under the seat in the engine compartment. If it's not there, consult your owner's manual. Like most vehicle batteries, a jet ski has a brace or two that holds the battery down. You might need a wrench to remove it. Some models have a battery holder crate, which you'll need to open before you can remove the brace. As always, wear the proper safety equipment when working on anything related to a battery. Make sure you have your gloves and goggles. After taking off any braces, disconnect the cable starting with the negative black cable and continuing with the positive red cable. Remove the old battery. At this point, it's a good idea to stop by your local AutoZone for free battery testing and free battery charging, or pick up a new battery. Installing the new battery is the same process in reverse. Lower the new or charged battery back into place and connect the wires starting with the red positive cable and continuing with the black negative cable. After the cables are connected, reinstall any braces or straps holding the battery in place. And that's it. After replacing the seat cover, you are ready to ride. Don't forget, if you have trouble with your jet ski battery or any vehicle battery, an AutoZone can help with free battery testing and charging. Thank you for watching, and for more tips, be sure to like and subscribe.